How to use miles on Alaska Airlines. So Alaska Airlines mileage plan enable you to accrue miles in various ways and redeem them for flight, hotel stays and car rentals. So earn miles by flying with Alaska Airlines and its partner including One World, Alliance members like American Airlines and British Airlines, right? Now here that is really easy thing. So if you just go to the mileage plan here, you will just get it here, right? And here you need a credit card. Alaska Airlines Visa credit card provide bonus miles and benefits. For example, the Alaska Airlines Visa Business Card earns 3 miles per dollar spent on eligible Alaska Airline purchase. There's also some of the benefits. For example, by linking your mileage plan account to hotel partner like Best Western, Marriott Bonway, and IHG hotels, you can earn miles per stay. You can also earn bonus miles when you book car rentals through the Alaska Airlines and its partners like Airways and Budget. If you do the shopping and dining through the mileage plan, you will also get some of the benefits as well as in the cruise. Book cruise through a cruise only to earn 1 mile for every dollar spent. Now to redeem it, miles can be redeemed for award travel, right, on Alaska Airline and its partner airlines. All award travel must be booked through Alaska Airline. You can upgrade to your first flight, upgrade your ticket to first class for 15,000 miles here. Alaska Airlines allow you to redeem a combination of miles and money for flight. You can redeem miles for a discount of the best fare, right? So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.